Okay, today I just wanted to do a quick video about a vital tool that you'll use quite often in facilities maintenance, and that is a cordless drill driver. This one here I've had for 10 years or more by DeWalt, and it's really comfortable to hold. It comes with 2 batteries and a charger. You can see here on the top, it's got different settings for drilling holes, driving screws, and even has a hammer drill setting. So this works great for smaller concrete anchors. If you're going to do larger concrete anchors, let's say bigger than 1/4 inch, or if you have many concrete anchors to install, I'd recommend buying a separate hammer drill for that. But otherwise, this works great. And it's got, you can select 1, 2, and 3 here, and adjust here as well from 1 all the way up to 21. It's got the keyless chuck on it. A good set of drill bits is also vital in facilities maintenance. This one here, this particular cordless drill, is an 18-volt lithium ion. It lasts a long time on a charge. Again, this has been a great cordless drill driver. I'd recommend it. And you'll probably also need some hex driver bits and adapters so you can drive sockets, tightening nuts and bolts and things that you work on. But yeah, definitely a valuable tool for facilities maintenance. Again, keep 2 batteries, 1 in use and 1 on the charger or fully charged at all times. Ideally, once a battery is fully charged, you don't want to leave it on the charger. You want to take it off because they say it shortens the lifespan of the battery. If you just continue to leave it on there 24/7, it's not a good idea. Yeah, just wanted to put that out there for you guys. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment if there's any topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. I'll try my best to do so. Thanks for watching. Bye.